Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of the fam. Give a thumbs up to this video, it really helps me out. And press the bell, the little bell button below for notifications on when I post a new video here on the channel. So this video is going to be part of my Project Bride series. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I did my own DIY bridesmaids boxes. So these were the boxes that I gave to each girl that I asked to be my bridesmaids. And I decided to DIY them because I couldn't really find anything pre-made, and usually when it's made to order it's super expensive. Plus I wanted something to be more personal. I know each girl's taste, so I just thought I would make it more personal. Also, before we start the video, I just wanted to show you guys these clip-in extensions that I'm using. They're gorgeous, and I did these beautiful waves with this sapphire 8-in-1 curler. And this is an amazing product. So this is the curler I used for these type of waves. It comes with 8 pieces, so you could do 8 different types of curls. Both of these products are by the same company, Irresistible Me. I was lucky enough that they sent me out both of these products for me to try out and review. So I've done videos here on the channel before. If you haven't seen them before, I'll put the links down below. The website link as well if you're interested in buying, and there's also a discount coupon below that you can use on your first order. So let's get into it. The first step was looking for boxes, and I thought this was going to be really easy. It was super hard though. I couldn't find nice boxes, pretty boxes, big boxes. I also couldn't find boxes that just had the lid like flip up. I would just find like lids that came off. So that was pretty stressful. I spent so much time going around to different places and I just couldn't find anything. I went to Michael's, Walmart, dollar stores, and so I just ended up getting a basic box. I wasn't happy with the color, so I just spray painted the bottom of the box white, and the lid of the box I just covered in this really pretty pink and gold paper that I had at home that I had bought before for the wedding anyways. So I just covered that up. I found on Google this "Will you be my bridesmaid" image. There are so many of them, so I printed out a bunch of copies and cut it out to fit the lid so that when each bridesmaid opened the box, the question was right there. And I made a special one for my sister, who's my maid of honor. I found one image that said specifically "Will you be my maid of honor?" And then I got some pink shredded paper for gift boxes at the dollar store, and I just filled each box with this kind of paper. Now the first thing I wanted to get was like a cute little champagne bottle or drink. I did buy the small little martini bottles, but they were too big for this box, so I had to return them, and I ended up getting ice wine, which is still super cute, and they had smaller bottles. And ice wine is amazing. I got an ice wine for each girl. It came in a box, but I thought it was just better to put it as just the bottle in the box. And my sister, she doesn't drink, so I couldn't really think of anything else except for Perrier. And I couldn't get a bottle because it was too big, so I just got a slim can and I kind of just decorated it to make it look nicer for her, because she loves Perrier and she doesn't drink alcohol. The next thing was I found these really cute makeup bags online. They were super cute and they're really big, and they say Brides Babes, which is perfect for your bridesmaids. Once again, because of the size of the box, I couldn't, you know, just lay it out because I really liked how it said Brides Babes, so I was kind of upset that I didn't have a big enough box to just have it showing, but I ended up folding it up and tying it with some really cute ribbon, and each girl opened it up anyways while I gave them the box, so it was really cute to see the reactions, and they all love this bag. It's so useful to put in makeup. The next thing, I had to put in the traditional ring pop. I loved ring pops as a child. I never thought I would incorporate them to my wedding, but I thought it was just such a cute thing. You see it in so many Bridesmaids boxes, so I just had to add that in. I also added in Ferrero Rocher, just I wanted a little bit of chocolate maybe to go with that wine, and Ferrero Rocher is one of my favorite chocolates. I got these little glass bottles at the dollar store, and then I bought some lavender bath salts. It came in a huge jar, and I just basically put in bath salts in each of the glass jars, and I also printed out Bride Tribe labels to stick on each jar. There were pink bath salts, and I really wanted to get them because they would go better with the pinkness of the box, but it was like the rose smell and it smelled disgusting horrible, and the lavender one smelled so good. So I was like, whatever, I'll just go with the purple one. It smells amazing. I don't want to give them something that smells bad. For each Bridesmaids too, I ended up printing a picture of me and her and putting it in the box, so that was really cute, and they all loved that as well. And it just shows like why I chose them. We had so many special moments. I had so many pictures of them. It was hard to choose one or two. So I just thought it was really cool. So yeah, that was everything that was in my Bridesmaids box. Yeah, I think it came out pretty well. It was just fun. I loved all of the girls' reactions. I'm going to put in some clips here showing their reactions. It was so cute. So I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys again soon. XOXO. Mwah!